Happy week 12, 7th graders. It's Mr. Curry here, and we are going to be talking week 12 Road to Peace. And thanks for watching the weekly video and going through your weekly schedule. And again, as I always talk about, this is my strongly suggested schedule. If you stick to this schedule here, you'll get everything done by Friday and have plenty of time for your other classes and other things you want to do, and have your weekend free as well. So strongly suggest that you follow this schedule here. Please take the time to, as always, to go through your grade book and check your messages and email and all that good stuff. Get back to me if I've reached out to you and all of your teachers. Start Here folder right here has all sorts of good information. If you have any questions about the class at all, please start there. Ballot extra credit. So this Tuesday is election day. So please encourage everyone you know to go out and vote. And even if they're not registered, if your parents or an older brother or sister who's 18 are not registered, you can still register all the way up to election day and still vote. So please encourage everyone to do that and take part in that voting process. Document it with a picture at some point. Remember, don't show how the person voted, but just show that you helped someone in the voting process. Put a picture of that up here for the ballot extra credit, and that is due by Wednesday, the day after ballots are due. So please make sure you do that. All right, we are looking at we're in Unit 2, of course, comparing government, and we're in week 12. So make sure you get into week 12 here. Two different things: Road to Peace notes assignment, and then a discussion called Arab Spring. So the Road to Peace notes assignment. Please go through it. These are the essential questions that you should be thinking about as you go through the assignment, and go through all the directions and then follow these directions. What you are going to be actually turning in are called the Road to Peace notes. So you need the Road to Peace. This is the information you need. So open that up in one of the formats and then open up the Road to Peace notes. And please make sure you do all three sections. So this is section 1, section 2, definitions, and you need to get a definition of these words and a visual, some kind of picture. And then geography, do the geography, that's the third section. All right, so 3 sections on the Road to Peace notes assignment. And then the other assignment, discussion about the Arab Spring. And again, essential questions to think about while completing this assignment, what you'll be able to do, and then a little bit about the Arab Spring that happened a few years ago. And then there's this video by Bahia Shiab that you'll need to watch. And then the discussion board is that you're going to write a paragraph describing what you think the Arab Spring really was, about it, how it came about, what impact it has, and the eventual outcome of these revolutions might be. A lot of people think that the outcomes are done at this point, and some people think that there might be further repercussions. So also find what you are doing in addition is you are going to find a news article about the Arab Spring. Try and find something in the years 2012 to 2014. It can be something more recent, but they were really reporting on the Arab Spring at the time. Use an actual news source like CNN, the Associated Press, Reuters, NPR, a major newspaper. Do not use a site like Wikipedia. Okay? We're looking for an actual news source. And these are just examples. You can use any reputable news organization. So find an article, link it in, write your paragraph, respond to your 2 classmates after watching this video TED Talk. Okay? So those are your 2 assignments. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's get week 12 done. We're coming up on Thanksgiving break. Please make sure you get that extra credit turned in. I'd like for everyone to do that. And yeah, that's it. So have a good one.